Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got a dresser, a nightstand, and quite the project ahead of us. So let's get started. Alright, as you can see, it is quite the mess here. But overall, good condition, just looks terrible. Which is alright because we're going to paint it, we're going to sand it, we're going to make it look a lot better. So, first step is we're correcting everything subframe wise. So we're gluing this piece back, making sure it's all stable and tight. We're going to start removing all the hardware here, and then we can go from there. We are at a point where we can start sanding this down. Now what we're going to do is we're going to attempt to sand the tops down, maybe stain them. We'll see how the finish comes off of here and how much work it is. If it's too much work, well, we'll paint the top. And if not, we'll give it a nice little stain, and that may even adjust the colors that we paint this piece. So, everybody's favorite part, a lot of sanding. We're going to do this piece, do all the drawers and doors, get them out of the way, and then we'll start working on this beast. I'm using 80 grit sandpaper with a Dewalt sander, and I got a dust mask. Alright, it is all sanded down. We wiped it off, vacuumed it, made sure it's all cleaned up, so when we put the paint on here, it's going to have a nice grip to it. So, we're going to do the back of the drawers, or the doors, and then we're going to do the drawers, do 2 coats on everything, and then we'll come back and do the fronts here. So, let's get started. Alright, we have 2 layers of paint on here. We've let it dry. We've even got neighbors over here just doing the lawn all day. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to start sanding here. We're going to do, I've got 120 grit, I've got some 80 grit for the harder spots. We're just going to do some scuff marks, nothing major, just a nice light over just to wear in, give it a little bit of a vintage look. So let's get started. Alright, so we're at a point where we can start using our mini wax. We've wiped them down, we've sanded them, and now we've got this nice little look that we're just going to seal with a little mini wax. Alright, here it is completed, nice gray. What we've done is put 2 layers on, scuffed it up, gave it a nice vintage look, kind of our style, right? And we left the insides nice color. The original gives it a nice little blend here. So if you like this project and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and we always like it when we get new subscribers on YouTube and we get some nice comments. Till our next project. See you guys.